morning, fellow minimalist. It's Jeremiah here at my job in Bend. It's called Currents. Check it out. I'm doing breakfast at this hotel. I'm about to do lunch, so I'm wiping down the tables quick. Yeah, they have a hard time keeping staff. So you got a lot of people that don't know what to do, who don't want to be told what to do, and we're told not to tell them what to do because it's going to scare them away, then they're not going to have staff. It's kind of scary. How are they going to learn what to do if no one's allowed to tell them what to do? Yeah, so work stuff. I'm going to get back to it. Loving you guys. Adios. So, just like I would at the slabs, I have to go buy my water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And throw it on my backpack. I mean, that's only 8 times 3, 8.4 times 3 is a lot easier. Yeah, it's 25.2 pounds of water. Then I gotta ride it uphill. It's only a 20-minute ride from here. Oh, stop, no. Just kidding, what a waste. That's a gallon, what a waste. Cool, so that's how I get my water. I'll bring like 3 gallons today, bring like 3 gallons tomorrow, and then I won't do it for like a week and I'll use it up. That's what I do. Hey there. Here I am back at camp. I worked this morning. I went and I put out resumes again and kind of checked out. I need more water for the shower. I got water to drink only today. Kind of check out like who's busy so I can know who to look for night stuff. So here we go. I got my big chair. I love it. Tonight I got an everything bagel salad, or everything chopped salad. Yum. I got my work shoes. They're stinky. I got my big air mattress. It's deflating a little. I don't like that. It's supposed to be the one that doesn't. I'm kind of pissed, but I'll figure it out. So I'm hoping it's just something I didn't do right in the plug and I tried it. So got my light on up top. All right, so I've got my clean clothes. Bam. My garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil. I need these for the burger. Bam. Here's the water I've been gathering. I've got the food in the suitcase so the mice can't chew through. There's the clothes I'll need tonight. This big layer while I'm sleeping because it's going to get down to 35 tonight. Got my shoes, my sandals, some cutlery, lots of resumes for handing out. Continue tomorrow. Weed I was given, it's shitty. Weed I bought, 40 ounce, it's good. Here's my toiletries. There's some stuff I need to return to Walmart. Holes that you can't see. Nice. Holes that mice chewed into my tent. I stuffed them with dirty socks. They were coming in here and trying to raid my food. Yeah, and then I got my solar panel. I'm gonna go. That's still working shitty, but I'm working on. It'll charge up one of my portable power banks in like 3 days. Which is shitty. I think he said it would take like 42 hours of constant charge to get my phone full. So, oh, hey, beautiful. See it up there? I think it's a woodpecker, a female. Not positive though. Cool. So crazy, I can just like leave a solar panel out here like this and it's just fine. This thing's starting to fall apart just for me walking on it. Look. All right, let's see where it's at. I think it's day 2. On 2 chargers. Yep, I left mine at work. I charge one at work and I leave one here. Save the environment. I'll always use one to charge here. And I'll charge the other one at work, which goes back to like whatever fuels they're using. 1 second, I'm gonna flop it. There I am. Hey there. Sorry, I'm so cheesy. But yeah, so I got this. This will make sure that like my phone doesn't go dead at night. And I don't like miss my shift because I have to wake up at 5, leave by 5:30, on the bicycle. It's like 40 minutes to get there, 35. I like to be early because I'm new and I like to get things set up a certain way and so that I'm set up to succeed. Yeah, but I like my camp. You want to watch me cook a burger? It's boring. I guess I'll get it started. Here we go. All right, let's see here. Burger patty, $2.50. The Wagyu beef one. I doubt it's actually Wagyu. Come on. No one massaged my burger. $2.50. Well, looks good. I like how it's already made a patty. Just a little secret. Well, it's already smushed from being on my backpack with the water, but if you smush a dimple into the center, the burger rises in the center. So if you smush a dimple into the center, that will make sure that the burger rises evenly and doesn't leave you with a hamburger ball, which happens all too often. That's gross. I just wiped that on my hands or my pants, whatever. Fuck it. It's just raw meat. All right, so garlic. Let's get this bad boy going. Just a little bit of this. Voila. Salt, lots of salt. Pink Himalayan rock salt. Garlic, not the stupid garlic salt shit that has other stuff in it. Just put garlic and salt instead of whatever they put in garlic salt that's not garlic and salt. The additions I just don't get. All right. Spin you around a little bit. Bam. Good to go. I'm a liberal garlic user. Very liberal on the garlic. Turn it down a little bit. I don't use much salt, but I have to use more because, yeah, you need salt. I'm not sure if the pink stuff's iodized or not. All right, bam, there's that. I should have done all this other stuff first. I messed up. Oh well. More olive oil. Throw these mushrooms up in there. And that was bacon. The mushrooms were like 80 cents. 3 pieces of bacon, the thick pepper bacon, $2. So basically it's like $6 for a burger. This bacon looks awesome. I did this all wrong. It's fine. I don't know if you can even see. I use the metal one because then I can stick it underneath and let it get hot in the pan. Whereas that one might melt, this one can sanitize. I feel like some of you culinary experts are judging my skills. I'll never forget when I cooked. Oh, see? Bam. I'll never forget that. That sucked. Luckily I didn't burn anything. Myself included. Got the mushrooms back in. It's like it never happened. I'll never forget whenever I offered that security guard some bacon when I was cooking on the street in downtown Denver. That was fun. Yeah, that's the thing that sucks about this. It's not super stable. That sucks. I'll wipe it out, but I just did laundry. I don't have that much dirty stuff. I'll use an old dirty sock. Ugh. Boy, oh boy, am I excited. All right, let's try this again. I could have waited longer on that one. Let's see if I can squeeze some bacon on that side, get all the flavors mixed in. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're still on. Hey, what's going on? Sorry. It's gotta be kind of boring. I guess that's it. I'm making a burger. I'll show you when it's done. Loving you. Yum. Yeah, it's moments like this that I'm just truly grateful. It's, working a hard 8-hour day. Is this on? No. Coming home to sit down in my chair. Check out the sunset, look in the backyard. Eat some dinner. I got a salad too. I need some fiber. Portobello bacon. Ghost pepper. Wagyu burger. Yeah, I'm going to eat. Loving you. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, so I'm working on that pilot close I mentioned. Let's see if I can. Yeah, wow, cool. It's on a pine tree. Actually, that's kind of cool. So we have my shirt. I have my work pants on right under because I'm just going to wake up and go to work. And then I've got my, you can't see. I'll show you. We got a matching pair of Long John camo bottoms. These are my Long John. This is my Long John camo top. I learned in backpacking and then subsequently hitchhiking that layers how you do it. Get this all tucked into my. Actually, I look cool. I look funny right now. You gotta see this. There we go. Look like I'm about to go hunting. Okay, let's get the next layer. I got an orange sweatshirt because, again, the hunting theme. No, because if I'm riding a bike to work in the morning, even though I'm going to have a light, I might wear this over everything. I haven't yet, though. So yeah, honestly, this is how I get through the night. So I'll sleep in this. Got my sleeping pad on the top layer of the sleeping, my sleeping pad on the top layer of the air mattress, because otherwise I'd be freezing. Voila, there's the ensemble. Basically my jammies. I've got this down. Generally I'll sweep this. I'll sweep it probably then. So that way. But right now I'm going to sit down, eat the salad, and then watch a movie. Or listen to an audiobook or find a phone game. Yeah, I like this. I would honestly just move around the country doing this for a while. Be a lot easier with a car, but it's kind of fun without a car. Hey, I'm going to do my thing. Loving you so much. Good night. Hopefully you love me back, and you have already hit the 2/3 of you have hit the subscribe and the like and the comments. It's pretty steady. 2/3 of you have. Loving you. I want to get up to 2,000. I'm almost to 2,000. I want to get up to 10,000. That's where I become an influencer. I feel like I'm really not trying hard enough, but I've been really doing a lot of content. That's the main thing I got going for me, so I'm going to keep it up. Again, loving you. Keep fighting the good fight. All those plans that I didn't follow through with, don't worry. I'm still going to follow through. It's just how I work. You'll see. Good night. See ya.